We'll be drawing our rectangle on the client area of the form, and we'll be using the fill rectangle method. This method fills the interior of a rectangle specified by a pair of coordinates, a width, and a height. Hi, I'm Joe Lumley, and welcome to my show, Code with Joe. This is the show where we make apps together. The client area is measured in pixels. The origin is the upper left corner. Points are described by x and y coordinates. The x coordinates increase as we move to the right. The x coordinate for this point is 12. The y coordinates increase as we move down. The y coordinate for this point is 3. We can use this point to describe the upper left corner of our rectangle. So now let's go ahead and size our rectangle to be 21 pixels high by 21 pixels wide. So let's use one of the system brushes. We'll select purple as the color of our brush. Let's open up Visual Studio. Let's create a new project. Let's select Visual Basic for our language. Select Windows for our platform. And select Desktop as our target. Then select the Windows Forms app template. Click the Next button. Let's name this project Filled Rectangle. Let's go ahead and click the Create button. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the Properties window. Go to the View menu and select the Properties window. Now select the Events tab. Scroll through here, find the Paint event. Select the Paint event and hit the Enter key. This creates the Form 1 Paint event handler. Let's type e.graphics.fillRectangle, open parentheses. So let's use one of the system brushes. We'll select purple as the color of our brush. .purple, comma, set the position at 12, comma, 3. Let's make the size 21 pixels wide by 21 pixels high. Alright, let's run this. And there you go. We've drawn a rectangle on our form. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. It's going to do it for me. I'll see you in the next video.